Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. I figured the first thing I would do in this video was show you my struggle to make coffee in the morning. I guess it's not really a struggle, but it's definitely not as simple and as easy as the war wagon.
Good morning from Columbia, Missouri. It rained pretty good last night. Shook though. The wind was blowing and it was carrying on, but we didn't see any hail or any tornadoes, at least not here. I didn't see any reports. It's about 7 o'clock. Just getting rolling here. David and Diane are probably still sleeping. I get up early. Making a little bit of coffee here.
This is the Joullie electric kettle from my friends at Stoke Volitcs. I will leave a link for it in the description.
Not quite. One thing, this thing does use a little bit of juice, but makes good hot coffee. Biggity bam, yo. So this is how you do it. Take this AeroPress has got the coffee in there in the filter. Take your hot water. First we gotta level that out a little bit. You take your hot water, you dump that in there. Do that for a minute. Take that off of there. Take your coffee cup. And that's how you make coffee. Oh, a little hot. Look what else we got. 2 cases. Yee-hee. All right, so we're in Columbia, Missouri, and we just picked up Aunt Edna. We're ready to go. All right, good morning, everybody from Columbia, Missouri. Woke up here in Walmart. It rained last night. It was pretty windy. I've slept better, but I've slept worse. Just couldn't fall asleep. I was wide awake last night. Got the Blue Eddy charging up a little bit. David's making a little bit of breakfast for everybody, and we should be on the road in about an hour. Got some reports of tornadoes around Lincoln, Nebraska today, but the good news is we're headed towards Lincoln, Nebraska today. So hopefully we continue to evade the tornadoes. It's going good, no problems with any vehicles so far. Yeah, see you when we get on the road. Well, we're charging. Not a whole lot, but we're charging. I'm going to Boonville. There we got him. It's on a bad angle. You can't really see it anyway. I'm just looking at your eardrum, really. And Arch is over there. It's like a 3rd state.
In half a mile, use the right 2 lanes to take the I-70 West exit toward Kansas City.
Elvis would say, we're in the ghetto. The Great River's greenery. Looks like Bethlehem steel.
I'm putting this little shot of I-70 in for all the people that absolutely hate I-70 through St. Louis. I know you're watching.
driving along I-70, we spotted this accident in the eastbound lane. The cars looked pretty mangled there, but the really crazy thing was how far traffic was backed up and that it was pretty much completely stopped. I hope everybody was okay that was in that accident, but I was really glad we were going the other direction because that looked like a really, really bad way to spend the afternoon. And then we passed this guy. We were rolling like 75 miles an hour, so he must have been rolling at least 50. And at this point, it looked like traffic was slowly starting to move again. But yeah, I was really glad we weren't over there. Greetings from a very windy Lincoln, Nebraska. Up here at the Joullie World, living in a Toyota 4Runner, day 3. And the good news is Aunt Edna joined us, so now we can finish the trip. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can cruise along with us all the way to Alaska.
All right, everybody. That's going to do it for this one. This has been kind of a lame video, but the truth is we're kind of in the lame part of the country right now. No offense to anyone who thinks otherwise. But hopefully within the next 2 days, we will be close to the Rocky Mountains and maybe even close to Yellowstone. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. But I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you on the next one. Keep on vanning.